My name's Lydia Hickman and I'm a PhD researcher at the University of Birmingham. Welcome to my poster presentation entitled No Differences Between Autistic and Non-Autistic Adults with respect to social and non-social influences on risky decision making. Risky decisions are frequently encountered in everyday life, where individuals must choose between options of varying risks and rewards. These decisions have been found to be susceptible to social influence, and different decisions are often made when deciding for oneself compared to others. Some studies have suggested that autistic individuals are less susceptible to social influence. This is often found when social information is presented using social stimuli such as faces. In this project, we aim to investigate risky decision-making for oneself and others, for autistic and non-autistic adults, the role of social and non-social influence in this decision-making process, and how the strength or direction of influence plays a role. Importantly, we represented social and non-social information conceptually using tokens. 20 autistic and 20 non-autistic individuals completed a task in which they were asked to choose between two boxes containing varying distributions of rewards. Sometimes they chose for themselves, and sometimes they chose for another participant. In some trials, social influence was present, which represented previous choices made by other participants. Other trials contained non-social influence, which represented random suggestions from weighted roulette wheels. We conducted an ANOVA on the risky decision-making scores, with recipient as within subjects factor and group as a between subjects factor. No difference in risky decision-making was found between self and other decisions or between the two participant groups. An additional ANOVA was conducted on the influence scores, with influence type, direction and strength as within subjects factors and group as a between subjects factor. Social and non-social influence did not differ in their effect. However, direction was found to play a role in the decision-making process. You can see in the bottom figure that the effect of influence in the less risky conditions was significantly different from zero, whereas this was not the case in the riskier conditions. Correlation analyses confirmed a distinction between social and non-social influence, with performance on a facial expression recognition task only correlating with social influence scores. This work demonstrates comparable social influence between autistic and non-autistic individuals when information is presented conceptually, something which should be considered in theories of autism. In addition, the data suggests that the direction of influence should be incorporated into models of risky decision-making behaviour. Thanks for tuning in to my poster presentation, and please do contact me if you have any comments or questions.